Hello and welcome. Today we are diving into a fascinating aspect of artificial intelligence that's transforming how we interact with technology, prompt engineering. Whether you are a developer, business leader, or simply curious about AI, understanding this concept is crucial for leveraging AI tools effectively. Imagine interacting with an AI so intuitive that it feels like you are talking to a top expert in your field. Discussing the nuances of financial markets, the latest tech innovations, or complex legal issues becomes as simple as a conversation. Moving into our exploration of prompt engineering techniques, let's start with zero-shot prompting. This method is fascinating because it requires no specific training or examples for AI to understand new tasks. Zero-shot prompting enables AI to interpret and respond to instructions based solely on its pre-existing knowledge and general model training. It's like asking someone a question about a topic they've never studied but can answer based on their general knowledge. Imagine a marketing firm using an AI tool to monitor brand sentiment across social media platforms. With zero-shot capabilities, the AI can evaluate mentions of the brand and classify sentiment trends accurately without needing prior specific examples of every possible phrases or sentiment. This rapid response ability is crucial for developing effective marketing strategies and adjustment on the fly. Okay, let's start exploring the OpenAI playground. To start, visit the OpenAI playground at platform.openai.com/playground. The interface is divided into three main sections. The first one, System Messages area. This is the first space you will notice. We'll leave this empty for now, but it's important to know it helps set the behavior of the assistant. For example, you can modify the personality of the assistant or provide specific instructions about how it should behave throughout the conversation. However, note that the system message is optional. The second one, main interaction space. This is the central part of the playground when most of the interaction happens. Here you can engage with the chat model by entering prompts. The third one, model and settings area. This section allows you to select the model you want to use. You can check it here. Let's try to use the playground. In the main section, you can input prompts. For instance, if you want to categorize text, you would enter a prompt like the following. Let's put some example. Let's ask our model to classify the sentiment of this text. And here's our text. Your product is weak. I will never buy it again. So, as you can see, after submitting, the model analyzed and classified the sentiment as a negative. So let's try another prompt. Let me put the sentence here. Yeah. So we'll ask the model to classify the sentiment of the following text. I use your product and I will recommend it. So as we can see, model processed this text and categorized the sentiment as positive. Finally, consider a more neutral example. And here's our prompt, as you can see here. I have chosen user message. And the text is, I use your product is not the worst. So, upon classification, you will see that the model identifies this sentiment as neutral. So this quick guide should help you navigate and utilize the OpenAI platform effectively, allowing you to interact with the model to classify text sentiments accurately with zero-shot prompting technique. As you can see, zero-shot prompting opens up numerous possibilities for AI application in fields requiring quick adaptation to new and evolving data without the need for continuous training. It's a powerful starting point in our journey through prompt engineering techniques. In the next video, we'll explore few-shot prompting, where just a few examples can significantly refine the AI's understanding and response accuracy. Stay tuned to see how a little information goes a long way.